The Mayo Clinic Diet, a lifelong approach to healthy weight loss. The Mayo Clinic Diet is a comprehensive weight loss program developed by a team of experts at the renowned Mayo Clinic. Unlike fad diets, this program focuses on sustainable lifestyle changes to help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight for life. The program has two key phases. Lose it. This 2-week jumpstart phase is designed to help you quickly shed 6 to 10 pounds through the adoption of 5 healthy habits and the breaking of 5 unhealthy ones. This gives you an encouraging boost to keep going. Live it. This is the lifelong maintenance phase where you continue to learn about healthy food choices, portion control, meal planning, and physical activity. You can expect to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week until you reach your goal weight, and then maintain it long term. The foundation of the Mayo Clinic diet is the healthy weight pyramid, which emphasizes unlimited vegetables and fruits, along with healthy proteins, whole grains, and limited added sugars and unhealthy fats. This balanced approach ensures you feel satisfied without having to strictly count calories. Regular physical activity is also a key component, with the program providing easy-to-follow exercise plans to boost weight loss and overall health. What sets the Mayo Clinic diet apart is its focus on developing sustainable habits you can stick to for life, rather than quick fixes. By making gradual, enjoyable changes, you can achieve lasting weight loss and improved well-being. It's an approach backed by medical expertise to help you succeed. If you're ready to transform your health through balanced nutrition and active living, consider giving the Mayo Clinic diet a try. It's a proven path to a healthier, happier you.